Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset virtual memory or the pegging file on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I will show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type view advanced system setting. Click on open it. Under the performance select settings. Select the advanced tab and under virtual memory select change. And now you just need to check mark this automatically manage pegging file size for all devices. Just need to check mark it and check OK for save changes. And now the changes you have made requires you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Click on OK and restart your PC guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.